Oh, so here's the continuation. Here's the continuation from kind of yesterday. I ordered this from KEH, as you can see, KEH. And some of you may know what I got. If you are wondering what the experience was in kind of dealing with KEH, they're supposedly one of the best companies for buying and selling like used camera gear. Please watch the video that I put out yesterday because it's kind of walks through, especially if you're an international buyer slash seller. Okay, if you live in the States, your experience, I think, will be really, really good. If you're international, I'm in Canada, just realize there's definitely some hiccups that they don't really talk about. Even their sales guys are like, "Oh yeah, we'll pay for that. We'll pay for that." And then you realize, "No, no, you're not. You're not. You didn't." Right? And you're kind of stuck with the box. Let's see what I got. I didn't go crazy. I didn't go crazy. I bought a camera, and because I wanted this camera, I kind of needed a lens. Nothing fancy, just a lens that I thought would be useful for now. And I had X amount of credit because of the gear that I sold to them, that I just wanted to make sure that it was all kind of used, right? Anyways, well packaged. Yes, well packaged. Bubble wrapped very nicely. And is it 2 bubble wraps or 1? So there's a bubble wrap on the bottom. The dog will like that. And there is a bunch of stuff in here, all inside the same bubble wrap, but 2 packages. When you buy stuff from KEH, it doesn't seem, even though it says like as new, it seems that you're not going to get like any kind of box or anything like that, which kind of makes sense because again, when I sent them my stuff, I didn't have to send them a box or anything. I just sent them, here's the camera, here's some lenses, here's battery, etc., etc. Now my hope is things like the battery, that they will have a battery here that's not like near death, that it holds a charge, not like, hey, here's a battery that you're going to charge up and it's going to give you 3 minutes and then be dead. This is the way I bubble wrapped my stuff when I sent it down there. You don't want it to get there and it's all broken, right? Oh, okay. So number 1. So here's number 1. Here's number 1. You buy a Sony one. Yes, because I made sure when I sent my Canon gear down to them, that I sent them a Canon charger, the Canon charger that it came with. I sent them a Canon battery. Now this Canon battery that I sent was like new. What does that say on it? You guys see that? Yes? Vivitar. So it's a charger, but it's definitely not a Sony charger. It's not a charger that would have came with this camera. Nope. So they are lowballing you there. Yep. Which makes me think that the battery, I'll be shocked if the battery is actually a Sony battery. Comes in a lovely Ziploc bag. 2 Ziploc bags. I'm going to say camera-wise, camera condition. You guys can see it. The camera looks good. This was supposedly like I think it was Excellent Plus or something like that. So I think that's good. Battery-wise, there should be a battery in here. There is a battery in here, and okay, that is a Sony battery. So it is an actual Sony battery. So that's okay. But the charger, they cheaped out on the charger. Sent me a Vivitar. Vivitar. Really? Is it charged? I don't know. Let's see. Screen flips out. Everything looks like it's in good shape. I haven't used a camera like this, so I have to figure out how to turn it on. Oh, there it is. Ready? Ready? Anything? So yes. And it's all set back to defaults, as you guys may be able to see. Maybe there. So I have to go through all the settings, which is good. Okay. I'm pleased with the camera. I'm pleased with the camera. I think I'll like that. Right? And it's pretty. Yes, I got the with the silver. That's kind of nice. Kind of looks like old one. And check this out. Look at even the cover. What does that say on it? NEX. So it's not even the actual cover that would have come with this. No. How do I know? Because I know it wouldn't say NEX on it. It's not an NEX camera. What did I do when I sent them all my cameras? Canon. Come on, KEH. You can do better than that. You should be doing better than that. It should say in your ad when you're buying this, may contain third-party accessories, not the original accessories, because that's not the original. Not the original. Now, I also bought a lens. Yes. Now, this one was classified as new. I don't know how you would tell the difference as new with not as new, but that looks. So that's a Tamron. Yes, Tamron lens. It's a 20mm 2.8. I think I got this for US dollars, like $150 or $178, something like that. So that's good. Has a Tamron cover and Tamron hood. So I'm pleased with. That I'm pleased with. Let's see if the two kind of talk to each other. They should. Sensor looks clean. It fits. That's also that's a nice little setup. Yes. Oh, that's lovely. That's a nice little setup. I'm down with that. Right? Take the little hood off. Okay, that I'm pleased with. I think that's good looking. That's good looking. Okay, and just to see real quick, we're gonna go English. Yes. Enter date and time. I'll do that later. No, I'll do it now, because if I don't do it now, I'll forget. So I'll just skip forward for you guys. Take my cover off. Ready, and make sure it clicks. That's all I care about. Ready, and makes a clicky sound. Yes. All right, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you this. I'm going to actually take this camera out with me this weekend to shoot a little trip that I'm doing. We're heading out to Cape Breton. I think I'm going to bring this as my little vlogging camera, just to put it through its paces. All right, my friends, what do you think? Did I do okay? Did I do okay? It's the A7C, if you didn't know, Sony A7C. This is like the Mark 1, the first one, with the Tamron 20mm f2.8. Yeah, I think it's kind of cool. Thumbnail. Yes? Yeah. All right, guys. That's it. I'm out. See you tomorrow.